In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to present a PowerPoint on Google Meet. Starting with the basics, PowerPoint presentations are a staple in the world of meetings, seminars, and lectures, offering a visual aid that can greatly enhance the delivery of your information. Google Meet, on the other hand, has become one of the leading platforms for virtual meetings, allowing individuals and teams to connect from anywhere in the world. Combining these two tools effectively can make your presentations more engaging and professional, even when conducting meetings remotely. Let's delve right into the process. The first thing you'll want to do is to open your Microsoft PowerPoint program. This might seem like a straightforward step, but it's crucial. PowerPoint is where you've likely spent hours, if not days, preparing your presentation, adding images, text, and maybe even animations to ensure your message is conveyed effectively. Opening PowerPoint is your first step towards sharing this hard work with your audience. Once you have PowerPoint open, the next thing to do is to open your presentation file from the opening screen. This might be a file you've recently worked on, which could appear in the recent list. Or you might need to navigate through your folders to find where you saved it. It's always a good idea to know exactly where your presentation file is saved to avoid any delays when it's time to present. With your presentation ready to go, it's time to shift your focus to Google Meet. This platform has rapidly gained popularity for everything from casual check-ins to formal business meetings. To get started, navigate to Google Meet. You can do this from your browser by typing in the Meet website URL or through the app if you have it installed on your device. Once you're on Google Meet, the next step is to join the meeting where you'll be presenting. You might have a link directly to the meeting, or you might need to enter the meeting code provided by the host. Once you've entered, ensure your microphone and camera settings are adjusted to your preference before moving forward. Now here comes the part where your preparation meets execution. At the bottom of the Google Meet interface, you'll notice a button labeled Present Now. Clicking on this button is your gateway to sharing your PowerPoint presentation with the other participants in the meeting. It's a simple yet significant step, creating a bridge between your preparation and your audience. After clicking Present Now, you'll be prompted to choose what you want to share. Among the options, you'll see the ability to share your entire screen, a window, or a tab. Since you're focusing on a PowerPoint presentation, select the window showing your PowerPoint. This ensures that the participants will only see your presentation and not any unrelated items that might be on your screen. Choosing the right window is particularly important because it can sometimes be easy to accidentally share the wrong screen, especially if you have multiple windows or documents open. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the window with your PowerPoint presentation. Once you click on it, your presentation will be visible to meeting participants. They'll see what you see in that window, meaning as you advance through your slides, they'll follow along in real time, and that's it. You're now presenting your PowerPoint on Google Meet. It's a straightforward process that can profoundly affect your ability to communicate with remote teams or clients effectively. Remember, practicing this process before your actual meeting can help ensure everything runs smoothly when it's showtime. Let's recap some key points to remember. Ensure your PowerPoint is well prepared and located where you can easily find it. Familiarize yourself with Google Meet's interface before the meeting starts, especially the Present Now button, and always double check that you're sharing the correct window. Mastering the art of presenting PowerPoint on Google Meet not only allows you to share your ideas, but also to do so in a manner that's engaging and dynamic, even from afar. With these skills, you're ready to make your next virtual presentation a huge success. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this guide has made you more confident in your ability to combine PowerPoint presentations with Google Meet effectively. Good luck with your next presentation.